If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Get stronger faster with the Sunny Health and Fitness Elastic Cord Rowing Machine. Strap in and pull against the elastic tension for a rowing experience like no other. An ergonomic seat and pivoting foot plates keep you comfortable and stable as you engage your legs while gliding along the 39-inch slide rail. Use the easy-to-read digital monitor to keep track of all your progress. Diversify your experience with different workouts by taking advantage of the elastic cord system. Designed around stability, this rowing machine has a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds. This rower's foldable design allows for simple storage practically anywhere. Get stronger faster with the Sunny Health and Fitness Elastic Cord Rowing Machine.
Water rower is the next best thing to being on the open water. It feels and sounds like rowing on the water. Plus, real water means infinite levels of resistance. The harder you row, the more intense the resistance will be. To make securing your feet simpler, the foot plates include quick adjust loops. You can tighten them easily in the midst of your rowing session. The rower's performance is rivaled by its comfort. The wide molded seat makes even the longest rowing session comfortable. And the rowing handle is padded and textured to improve your grip. Your experience is also enhanced by the steel rowing beam, which makes for a smooth seat glide. Staying motivated and tracking your progress is easy with the fitness monitor. The monitor displays your distance, workout time, calories burned, stroke counts, and strokes per minute. This model also comes with a chest strap heart rate monitor. It syncs wirelessly to the fitness monitor, allowing you to easily reach and maintain your target heart rate. No matter how intense your rowing session is, the leveling end caps will keep the rower in place and stable. When you're finished with your workout, simply fold the rower and wheel it away to a closet or corner. Invest in a rower that performs at the caliber you do. Invest in the Stamina Wave Water Rowing Machine 1450.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Impacts. This is the Marcy rower. In this day and age, everybody wants to jump on a rower. Why? Because it's designed perfectly for an anaerobic workout and an aerobic workout, which means that it's just like doing muscle building cardio. It's a high intense interval type training and it's great. So let's jump on this thing, you can see what I'm talking about. To get ready to row, we just need to place our feet in the foot panel, Velcro it in, adjust the tension control where we need it. Up here we have the computer panel. This is going to control our time, calories burned, and row count, and much more. Grab the soft padded handle, and let's begin to row. Now that we're done with our rowing workout, let's put this thing away, huh? Just simply hold the pin, push it up, pick up the end, and wheel her out.